That's brilliant, cheers.
So that sounds like something's broken around here. Not on this car, on someone else's.
That's the cowboy put on it.
So what?
Car.
Motorbike as well.
Motorbike behind it as well.
Oh, your way, is it?
Yeah.
We were going up fucking there, holy toot.
This one's really steep.
Yeah, a lot of gas.
It came hanging out the window!
What's in the window? Fucking hell. Hey!
Hey! Hey! Oh, I feel that. I actually had a bit of poke there. Did you feel it?
Yeah.
I hope they put this on. I reckon they'll put that on the page, do you?
Yeah, yes, I will. You guys okay still?
Oh, car, motorbike.
Okay.
Car,
We've got a car coming, and 2 motorbikes.
there's loads of motorbikes.
To meet them right in the fucking narrowest bit.
Yeah, there's 2. Oh, fucking.
Yeah.
He
The
nearly
wheels
took
were
us
nearly on
out.
that edge,
He
which
nearly
wasn't
took
very
us.
thick.
We nearly took him out.
Almost at the last bike out.
Oh, yeah. This one looks steep, doesn't it? Where is he?
It's better with the group then. It's behind us, but it's one of them.
Oh, he's not far
He's
behind.
gone around it, yeah, he's on slow.
How much higher have we got to go, Adam? Not much more, surely.
11 miles.
Up.
Not vertically, obviously, but distance travel wise.
Oh.
Half an hour. How you doing for temps and shit?
Oh, it's all good. Yeah, it's perfect.
How's your temps doing?
Yeah, it's climbing a little bit, but I've just turned the car beaters on just so I can keep it monitored.
All good, all good.
There's something broken down.
Oh, someone's broken down. The Volvo.
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh, hang on then.
go, 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 go.
All alright? You alright? Oh, that's alright. Oh, hang on.
Hang on.
Oh, hang on. So the turning circle's not very. The turning circle on Jack's not very good. The turning circle's rather large on it. Oh, hang on. Ah. I don't expect you to get round there. If that's a park in there, just take a photograph.
Breathe in.
A bit of a traffic jam.
Yeah, the turning circle's too big.
Well, I'm going round in fucking circles. I think that's a restaurant just up there.
Blind.
Yeah, it's alright. Don't worry.
I know.
Don't worry. I passed my CPC. They say I'm a professional driver, apparently.
Will not be that high yet.
I don't like to take the gas off while it's, do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
While we're losing.
Just live tight.
The bet trick is
Oh, fucking tight.
cyclist
Cyclist.
in the middle of the road. There's a house. There's a bar. We're at the White Vauxhall. What, they lost a wheel nut?
No, you carry on, so.
Yeah, but what did you say? They lost a wheel nut?
No.
It's alright, yes it is.
There's a cyclist on the right to go past him. It's all clear.
Fucking hell, this car's doing well, really. Thrashing it like bollocks off it you have to do to get up this hill. Good job I serviced it in the gear. Good job, innit? Fucking hell.
And change it to diff.
Yeah. No, I know there's still a few noises on it, but I mean, fuck me, you know.
Yeah, we're cruising a bit now.
Ahead of us, Jesus.
Yeah, we didn't let off the gas while the BMW was clearing the way for us. Tell him that, just tell him.
What?
I'm starting to think I should have put a pair of jeans on, 'cause it could be fucking cold up here.
Yeah, we were pretty much going for it because the BMW was clearing the path, if you know what I mean.
Yeah.
They were just driving all over the place, so we thought, hey, up, we'll keep with them.
Yeah, it's quite handy for us because it could kind of cut corners knowing you were ahead of us.
Yeah.
We're trying to keep warning you of everything coming.
Yeah, that was brilliant because I could just sort of nip through corners and make it a bit easier on the Audi.
It's a sharp left in a minute.
I suppose any use would have, Adam, you'd be able to know how you would tell what altitude you're at the moment. I don't know how you do it off of the, like, Google Maps or something.
We just asked Siri, how high are we?
It's a bloody good idea.
Do you want to find out now?
That'd be handy, just give it an ask just to see out of curiosity how much higher we've got to go.
What's my current altitude in meters?
It appears you're at 6,137 feet.
Well, that's pretty down there.
What's 6,200 feet in meters?
The answer is 1,880.
There is a cyclist on the way.
Cyclist on the right.
Oh, nuts to him, you should buy a car like everyone else, shouldn't you?
A van, watch a van.
It's a narrow bridge there. We are currently 1,890 metres high.
90.
1890.
Fuck, I thought when you said 90 we were a fucking long way to go up yet.
How far have we got to go yet?
700 metres still to climb, that's a long way up.
We're getting there.
Yeah, but it's no snow yet. You know when you're near the top, because it starts seeing snow.
The other day we got past snow, yes, didn't we?
I think we're fine.
Yeah, it wasn't quite as warm as it is today though. We're still sitting about 18 degrees.
Two cyclists, be careful.
Yeah, and they're taking up both sides of the fucking thing. They're not letting you moving over. Twats. Why would you ride a bicycle and not sit on the other side of the road? Idiots.
Lucky we did that up.
Fucking
We're getting an average of 6.7 miles to the gallon coming up here.
we're doing about 4.
Oh, I would hate to know what we were getting then.
4.
Less than 4 probably.
Well, at least we're both nearly in the same boat.
We are in a Jag though, so it's got its reputation to fulfill at some point. Oh look, it's a bit of a lamp.
Jag's not well known for their fuel economy.
I'll be quite happy if we actually get some really cold temperatures just to kind of get my transmission cool a bit.
We
I
can
don't know
look
what.
at snow.
I'd like to have a transmission temperature gauge to be fair, unless we're kind of roads.
Snow.
Oh, now it's snow, that's a good sign.
It's getting cold on my arm.
It's still reading 18.5 degrees.
Watch the cyclist in the middle of the road. Middle of the fucking road, like a twat. Fucking hate cyclists. They're like motorbikers, they're just a bunch of idiots. Like, don't get me wrong, I ride a motorbike, yeah, but I mean, they say think bike, they don't think why do you pass a car doing about 90?
Look at the cyclist coming towards you.
Why do you
Narrow
ride
bridge.
it sensibly? I don't think what, you know what I mean, don't you? Motorbikers do not drive sensibly, do they? They drive down the road, past everyone and cut in, trying to, you know, like 100 mile an hour, and they get knocked off and wonder why, and then blame the car driver and say, oh yeah, you know, think bike. Well look what you're fucking doing, innit? Car's struggling now. Now we're getting high now. Ask him if it's struggling now with the power.
How are you doing for power at the moment?
I think we're okay. I mean,
we're not too bad.
We're just getting a tad toasty, but not too bad. I've got the cap heaters blowing full bore. It's up about 10 degrees where it should be, so it's not too bad yet.
Can you put our heater on full power?
Yeah.
Just to keep the edge off the engine.
Is it power with you?
So you don't blow a pipe or anything. That's I know it cooled it down, but you just press the right full all the way till it says high. Yeah, leave that on. Put that on full. Yeah,
Man, the motorbike.
on full just to make sure it takes the engine. Thank you. Just takes the edge off, doesn't it?
Just about crashed into the back of me, so I came to that corner and pressed the accelerator and nothing happened. I actually died.
Are you okay still?
Yeah, I'm kind of losing power.
Yeah, we've lost a lot now.
We've lost quite a bit.
We've probably lost half the horsepower of the vehicle.
Can't keep it mental and keep moving.
Yeah, the car is really struggling to move now.
Oh,
kind of plonked it in second. I'm just taking my time because he jumps up into third and then it hasn't got enough oomph to drop back down again.
We're using kick down. I've just got the foot flat on the floor all the time.
There's a car coming towards you.
We can't stop because Mum will get going again, that's the problem. Is this the highest bit here? Is this the highest bit here? Oh no, we're going to go higher, we're going to go up there now, look. Fucking hell!
Go for a cyclist.
He's coming around the corner at about 90. And he's on the wrong side, he's in the middle of the road. Fucking hell. Did you see? That's what we've checked to see.
Did you see how fast that bike was going?
He was nipping on a bit.
I nearly took him out. I nearly smashed up and took him out. He'd have come out worse than I would
Tell
have.
me to drive the highlighted route.
He'd have come a lot worse off than me, wouldn't he?
More bikes coming
Oh,
in,
here we go.
quite
That's
fast.
about 20 of them flying around here like racing car drivers.
Oh yeah, fucker, we've got to go way up there.
Why would you want something?
I'll have to pull in, lads, and let it cool down a bit. She's just fucking really struggling. I'm miles behind you now.
Oh, shit.
Find someone.
There's nowhere to park at the minute. That's the problem. We'll try and find somewhere to
Try
park.
and find someone to play over.
Man, just give the gearboxes now a wee rest, because it has been quite hard to slog up there.
Yes, yeah. We'll try and find somewhere at the minute, but we can't at the minute.
We'll try and find someone here.
But there's nothing at the minute.
Let me know when you get pulled over.
Say about that. Maybe not.
Where is he? There's no lay-bys. Yeah, you see, I can't park nowhere, Adam. Is he down there? Can you see him? I saw a cyclist fly around. You see, you can't pull over nowhere. Just tell me we're struggling to find somewhere to pull over.
It's still be us, it's still worse. Still maybe. All those bikes play over.
Should we wait here or not bother? It's more of a passing place though. Just say we're
Space
struggling.
there if you've got to really need it.
There's only room for really one car in it, and then that's all the bikers are. Literally, the power's gone now, Adam. We're doing foot.
Still there. Your radio's gone.
Yeah, there's nowhere really to stop, that's the problem.
I think our range is gone.
Yeah.
Yeah, snow on the road down here.
Wait on. That bloke just always drives wherever he wants, doesn't he? He's still climbing at it. He's struggling for oxygen top. It does make me laugh that some people have really got to town on the car by putting special brakes now, and they're the ones broke down. So what the fuck? Look at this, Adam. Look how high we are. That's insane.
8 miles to go.
8 miles up more still. No, it can't be miles. See, but you know.
There's a bike coming down towards me, careful.
Hang in.
It's followed by a van.
We're just taking it easy now. We can't go. We can only do about 25. Tell him.
We're only doing about 25 miles an hour, if that. Just keeping it steady.
We're just trying
I'm
to
lucky if I can do 10 at the moment.
Really? Fucking
We'll try
hell.
and find late bars. She's a car right now.
So anything after the van?
So just all full of fucking motorbikers. They are, aren't
There's
they?
behind motorbikes and cyclists right now.
See, at least we let them buy, don't we? Oh, look, this is the highest point in Switzerland. Wow, look at the view, Adam. That's amazing.
Road first.
I can see the Audi. He's still going. Coming down the hill.
Cyclist on your right, the road's on there.
Merci beaucoup.
Jag's alright. Everything's good temperature. No serious warning lights or anything. So touch wood, Adam, touch the wood. It's real wood in a Jag, so you can say touch wood and get away with it. I have that impression that's where we're going, that building up there. See right up there? That's where I reckon we're going. Don't know why, I just reckon that's where we're going. Yeah, but you know what I mean, we'll go around the mountain up there. And then they'll all be sitting around over there. A drink. Look at the snow, it's amazing.
Yeah, can you?
Motorbikes going down, motorbikes coming down.
Several.
So that's me.
And they're not hanging about either.
We'll have to get Joe in.
Oh! I just missed that biker.
Look up to your left, fellas, you'll see the cable cars. They're going up to the top of the mountain. There's a building up there. Oh, we're not going all the way up there.
That's what I think it's going.
We've still got quite a bit of power out of it, actually, look. It's just got no top end, but I mean, 0 to 30 is not bad, that still. Look, we're catching up on these, look. Well, what's happened here? Well, they're just sightseeing. What's about?
One second, come on, belay bike here, 1 second.
Someone in it. There's someone in it.
No, somebody's parked in it.
No, you can't have that one either. This is motorbike street. I think you'd have a lot more get up and go than
So the other way.
Yeah, we're going over there, I think.
It's white.
Oh, look, it's all collapsed into the road, Adam.
Careful, avalanche head.
For what?
A little miniature
It's like a
avalanche.
mini avalanche.
Snow's collapsed into the road.
Oh, bugger.
This video's going to oh, my goodness. I think we're going up there, you know.
Is there any...
Motorbikers, more of them.
Motorbike coming in down to you.
Oh, yeah. When we get to the top, we'll give it a break. How many more miles?
6.
Oh, well, this will be about 6. It's not feeling hot, is it? Nah, it feels alright. It's just choking of air, that's all. We'll get there and then stop and let it just sit for half hour to cool down, and then we'll go down the mountain. Or is this the place where we're meant to be?
Park it for him. Cool down.
Yeah.